Requirements are created in qTest either by importing them through Excel or by clicking the requirements icon at the top left navigation. Requirements can be organized into parent and subfolders depending on a release, sprint, or functional product areas. qTest will allow you to customize all property values to fit your business needs while also keeping track of all changes and comments made during the requirements lifecycle. Once you fill out your requirement, qTest allows you to link existing test cases from the design module or create a new test case directly from the requirement. By using these links, it's a breeze to get back and forth between your test cases and your linked requirements. Instant traceability reports are available whenever you need them in qTest, whether you want to see a linked matrix report or an execution report for coverage. Just click the report icon to see how your coverage is tracking.